What's up everybody, welcome back to this new video. This is Reddy from topnotch-programmer.com, and today I'll show you guys how to make money doing affiliate marketing in 2021 and 2022. If you never heard about affiliate marketing before, today I'll show you guys what is affiliate marketing, what are the best promotional methods, best products, and how you can start basic things and doing affiliate marketing. So without losing any more time, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and let's get started. Affiliate marketing is basically just digital marketing, but affiliate marketing you have to promote the other people products and you have to get them sales by your strategy, and in exchange you are going to get commission for that sale. Commission depends on the advertiser or the seller that you are promoting their products. They can give you a fixed amount of money, or they can give you a percentage of commission that you can get from every sale you make to their products. There are tons of platforms that you can do affiliate marketing. Some are the best, some are the worst, some are easy to use, and some others are very hard to use and very complicated. But in today's video we are going through a very easy platform that is based on the Germany and Europe, but you can also use it in the United States or in any other continent. Let's get started with this. This platform is called Digistore24. Okay, so just go to Google and search for Digistore24. And here you have to click on the first link you see on the Google, and this is the platform, this is the website that you can register. And the best thing about this platform is that you don't have to do any verification. You don't have to wait or to send any credit card or to send any ID to verify yourself. You just have to go to register just other social medias and like any other website. So just go ahead and click on start now. It's free to sign up. And then you have to put your information here. Choose a username, put your email and your password that you want to choose. Then put all the information that you needed here, your address and your zip code and everything that is required. But make sure to put all this information to be right and correct, because if they don't are correct, they are going to ban you maybe later. So then put your phone number and Skype name or Telegram ID. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype, or otherwise you can put Telegram ID, because maybe they want to contact you for anything and they can find you through the Skype or Telegram. So then check these two boxes and click on register for free. Something I forgot to say is that here we have vendor and affiliate or vendor. So if you want to just to promote our products and you want to do affiliate marketing, you can go ahead and choose only affiliate. But for now, I'll choose the vendor and affiliate, because you can also promote your own products, or you can promote other people's products and do affiliate marketing. So for now, I have an account and I'm just going to log in my account. And this is my account. I will click on login, and here is the platform of Digistore24. So we can confirm this thing here, and this is the dashboard. The first thing you have to notice here is this view. If you have registered with affiliate and vendor, you can see this drop down here. You can choose between vendor and affiliate. Vendor is like if you want to promote your own product, if you want to sell your product, you can put it here, you can pay money, and the other people are going to promote using their strategy, and you are going to get sales from them. Also, if you want to do affiliate marketing, you can just go click on affiliate, and you are going to promote other people's products and get commissions for them for every sale you made. So this is the affiliate page dashboard. Here the first thing we have earnings, is how much money you have earned so far. We have promo clicks. These are the how many people have clicked on your links that you are promoting. Here we have earnings per click, how much you are earning for one click. And we have cancellation, how many people have canceled their orders. And we have top vendors, the people that advertising their products. And we have vendors here. We have some other settings and some graphics. I just started doing affiliate marketing on Digistore24 about 1 week ago, so I haven't made so much money. I've just got these clicks, and from these clicks I made only one sale, which I earned $3. So you can also, if you continue, you can do a lot of money doing affiliate marketing, but the important here is to choose a really good traffic method and to get people to your links and to get clicks on their products that you are selling. The second thing here is to just go ahead and create a new and choose a product that you want to promote. To choose a product is very important because you have to choose a good one that you think that you are going to get sales from it. And to get a product that you want to advertise, you can just go ahead to Marketplace, click on Marketplace, and here we have the list of the products. We have the categories like animals, pets, computer, internet, dance, music, email marketing, and category you want. You can choose any category that matches you the best, but here in the first page we have the best products that are going well for people and they are best rated by the people. The first one, we have this product here that you can choose. You make sure to look at ratings in the stars, and they are best rated from the people. So here we have this product, which is the price has 735 euros, and they are giving a commission of 85%. So for every sale you are going to make, you are going to earn 718 euros. This is a very high priced product, and I don't recommend you go with very high price if you are a beginner, because you are not going to get sales, and you have to be very professional with your advertising website that people to buy very high priced products. So you can just scroll down and choose any other product. And for example, in this tutorial we'll go ahead with Tube Mastery and Monetization by this guy here, and this price of this product is 488 euros, and we can earn 50% commission, which is almost 60 euros. The second thing very important here in the product is sales page and affiliate support page. So sales page is this one, and I can open it, and the sales page is a page that people are going to buy the product. So when they click on our links on a website, they are going to see this page, and if they want to buy it, they can just click on here and enroll and pay for that, and they can look up on this sales page. And the second page here is affiliate support page. This is a support page that can help us to better get sales and to get more sales, to get information for the product, and start doing and putting information to our website from the support page. And if I open this page, here we have a video that helps you on how to get sales and how to promote this product. We have direction and recommended links and buttons. So we have Instagram shoutouts and ads. If you want to do ads on Instagram, you can get these images and graphics here and share them into your Instagram if you have a lot of followers. So we have YouTube ads. If you want to run YouTube ads, you can get this video and share on YouTube. Then if you want to run Facebook ads, you can get another video, and here we have more information and everything you need about this product and to get started doing sales for this product. So if you want to continue doing and promoting this product here in Tube Mastery and Monetization, that is going to show you a promote now button here, but for now it's not showing because I'm already registered on this affiliate program and this product. They are just going to give me the link that I have to promote. So this is the link you have to promote. You can copy it, and if I paste it in a new tab, it is going to open this page, the sales page that people are going to go and buy. And for every purchase and every sale you make from this website, from this link, you are going to get a commissions of 50% for this product. I don't recommend you to directly share this link to the people and send it to people to buy this product because they are not going to purchase on this way, but I recommend you to create a website that you can more promote it, and then you can create some buttons, and in these buttons you can put this link that are going to redirect them in the sales page. So let's get started creating a website. If you have already a website, you can create it in your new page into your website. But if you don't have one, you can create a website for free on different platforms like WordPress or Wix. And Wix is the best one and the easiest one you can do. So just go new tab and search for Wix, and then you can go to wix.com and create a new website for free. You can just register and click on get started. Then you can create a website for free. You don't need any coding knowledge. You just have to drag and drop the elements on the page, and basically what you have to do is just create a title, put some information that are going to get from the support page. You can get the information from here or from the sales page, and then you can just create a button that you can put as a redirect URI to the link we got from the Digistore 24. For now, I have a website and I'm going to create the page from my website. So you don't have to do, you have to do the same steps that I do on my website, but you have to do them on Wix if you don't have a website, because this Wix is for free and you can do it even more faster. So let's get started doing it. So I'll go to my website, which is topnotch-programmer.com, and then I will create a new page. My website is running on WordPress, so I just have to go to pages and add new page. So here I have to put the title. For example, I can put this title here. I can just copy from here and paste it on my website. Then below I can get some other information. I can copy this thing, for example, and put on my website. Then it will paste the image and some information. Then I can just create a button here, and in the Wix you just have to drag and drop. It's going to be very easier on Wix than here that I'm doing on WordPress. So in this button I can type, just click here to get Tube Mastery, for example. And if I click on a link, then I have to add the URL that is going to redirect people to this link. So I have just to copy from the Digistore 24 here on the link that they give us, and copy this link and go back to the website and paste it here on the button. Then we can go open a new tab, and then we have created a new link. So this is a very simple page. I have already created another one that is look more beautiful than this one, so I'm just going to skip it, and you just have to create your own page and put as much information you can get from the sales page and support page, because this is going to look more legit to people and they are going to buy this product. Okay, so this is the website and the page that I created for this product, and here I put a title. We got the title from that. Then I put an image that I got from the sales page and some information. Then here we have the first button that is going to redirect people to my link to the Digistore 24, my sales link, and then we have another images, and we have some testimonials and another image, and we have a click button again. So make sure to put as many buttons that people are going to see, big buttons, because they are going to take their attention and they are going to click on them. So this is a sale page I can promote. I can just copy this link and promote it on Instagram or any social media or on paid ads. The best method to do affiliate marketing is by doing paid ads. You can go to Google Ads and click on create a new account, and I have already an account on here, so I'll just quickly show you what you have to do. And here we have Google Ads, and to do this we have to create a new campaign. I have already created one for this just to show you guys, and here we have that we can put the budget. We have some keywords and people that have the search keywords that people have searched on my website, and this is how it looks for other people. And here we have demographic and people that have clicked on my website. The best free method that I have seen so far is promoting your product in search engines like Google or Bing by doing organic traffic, by getting organic traffic. And to get organic traffic, you just have to add your website to the search engine console of the Google. So you just go to Google Search Console, search on Google for Google Search Console, and this is the place where you can add your website. And after you add your website, the people are going to see your website in the Google search. So every time they search, for example, YouTube monetization or YouTube course, your website is going to show up in the list of the search results. So just click on Start Now, and then you have to click on the website list, and you have to click on Add Property. You can just go ahead and put your domain here and your URL prefix if you have one. then you can go ahead and put your domain and click on continue. Then it's going to ask you to verify some codes that you have to paste in your root directory of your website, and then you are going to add your website on Google Search Console, and you can see the performance here, how many people are clicking and doing and click on your website that you have created for affiliate marketing, and then you can get some sales for free, absolutely for free, because Google Search Console and Bing Search Console are the best to get free clicks without paying any money. But if you want to go with paid money, if you want to try it and want to pay, you can just go to Google Ads and pay some money, and they are going to get clicks for how much money you pay. So this was some promotional methods that you can follow up, and this was the video for today. Hopefully you are going to like this. I know it is look like a bit complicated, but if you start doing this right now, and if you also have an Instagram page or a Facebook page or any other social media that you can start promoting it, it's better for you, because this is going to be much easier. Just create a beautiful image and you can share on stories, and people are going to swipe up and go to your website, and then some of them are going to buy and some of them are not. So for every purchase and every sale you make, you are going to earn a commission, and this is how you can make money doing affiliate marketing. Okay guys, please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next videos. Peace.